Welcome to my vlog and happy 60th birthday SB James.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Embrace the world of 20% discount. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together as we all welcome our birthday celebrator, the one and only, our beloved, Honorable SB member Jaime Diaz Bermejo Jr., together with his beloved son, James Oliver Bermejo. All right.
Birthday to our beloved Manong James Bermejo, no? SB James Bermejo. My name is Nova. I am the, how do you call that in English? My sister-in-law. Pero actually, if you really think about it, bilas ako ni Manong James, no? And while I am very proud to be welcoming all of you this afternoon, no? Very good fortune in the coming years. And once again, welcome to this celebration. Damo-damo minsan.
Happy birthday!
Board member, Matt Palabra, and the entire community. Kaya this... Wow, ako na mo dyan maestra mo adlaw present, ito estudyante. Waki! Ayos na James. Tuto. Okay, Waki, thumbs up. Okay, thumbs up. Alright. Approve sign. Okay, thank you so much. Si Ma'am Daichin and company, ma'am. Sa ibon ninyo.
Kamay lang yung joke ay mabuta. Nasa phone. Happy birthday, SB James. Dinner time.
On a cloudy day, when it's cold outside, cover my phone, babe. You with me, I believe in you. You know the door to my
Hindi
feet.
na po kasi video, nabuta na cellphone ko. Sayang.
You must say when I fall. Only fish your love, baby. Time after time, time after
Friend ko nga, neighbors. Sila, kasi ma'am Kasanyari.
time.
Huwag yung kita mo yung mga.
It's okay.
Meet by ganda ng voice.
Police pala.
Nice to meet you. Bye.
Sala ko ng plano. Hi, Selmy! At to all the public servant, ay sala ngayon ko, dapat we are happy to serve.
Yeah, you're ready. Asal beautiful ma'am.
Parang yun nakalakanta.
Dancers may be on the floor.
Bawa, good evening nga, maulit na kami kanami, balay nini, Olive. Napatay lang to, ay kami nakita, ay nini, agya kami sa balay nyo. Happy birthday, SB James. Bawa, magkita kami sa plaza, nag-biso-biso kami karan. Ay, bawa, ulit na kami, bye.
Ano na si, ano ah?
Parang gina na daw, artista na daw, may sis na pinapa, hindi ako pinaka to. Sa last na to. Uy, ama ko si Olive, ay kami nakita, ay yun balay na siya. Sinanay ko, blising niya, pagkasal nagya. Sa hotel ang kasal. Diyan na, gwapa, gusto ko din nga, do artista. Kami ka beauty na. Isa lang na bata.
Gani, isa lang ang tama na na.
Dahil mga duha gawan, no? Mga tatlo, pwede man.
Uy, ay kakapoy.
Mga 45, pwede pa. Mga memories na niya. Sabi ang balay ni SB, happy birthday, SB James. Wish you good health. Bye-bye. Love you. SB James. Beautiful. May may mababay ko na yung babay. Please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.